Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make national squads transfers in FC24. And to do this we have to go to the left upper corner to the settings, and then we have to go for the edit teams and then go for the national squads. And here, for example, if you got the Argentina, you can open it, and if you want to transfer any players, like for example you really like this guy, the Correa from the Atletico Madrid, so you can switch him with, for example, this defender. So click on the defender, then select Angel Correa, click, and as you can see, he is in the squad. We can do the same with Alejandro Gomez. We can, for example, remove maybe this guy, Leandro Paredes, and we can switch to the Alejandro Gomez. As you can see, it's set up, and you can do this with every player. That's actually a lot of players. When you go to the national pool, you've got 86 pages. So you can find almost every Argentinian player in this game. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.